Okay, 21 kilos of new crystals. Let's open them up. Let me be clear, I have no idea. I mean, I know what I ordered, but I ordered with over boat and not over air. So I order overseas and it takes like 2 or 3 months to come. So I have no idea what's in here. But we will see. Multiple ones. Let's see what's in here. Ah, selenite towers. Look at that flash. So pretty. Let me get a bit of better light. Look at the flash. Okay, with packing everything out, I went live. I mean, it's not that big, but still I like to do it live to get more engagement and everything. And I went for dinner and now let's go back. Okay, so I'm just back from dinner. I went live with packing everything out and let me show you. It's one big mess because I had to throw everything away. But I got myself a cup of tea, water, iced coffee, and look at this. So much to order, to wait, to price. Look at that flash. These are going in little unicorn sets. Like for example, look at that. Just grabbing one randomly. But look at that. Oh, that's adorable. Definitely going to do that, but I have to price them first. Oh, I freaking love this. These are absolutely my favorite. Look at that dragon moonstone. Absolutely awesome. Look at the amethyst. Sunstone. Look at that little moon. And rose quartz with a little moth. Absolutely loving this. I also have some butterflies on stands. And these are also my favorites. Angel Devil on stands. I have other one. More butterflies. Amethyst colored like on, where are you? Where are they? There. Like that. I mostly use them like that, but I also have them for sale, like just like how they are. So I have lots of raw crystals. This one. Look at that, with a pink opal and everything. And this one. Just too adorable. I also have some more pens because I didn't have enough apparently. Look at these points, by the way. This one, amazing. But my favorite, I think, is this one. Look at that. So pretty. But I also love these colors. They're so perfect. I have all types of chips. These are not going to be for sale. These are going to my art room. And these I'm going to use like in candles and soap bars and bed bombs and all that stuff. So really a lot of chips. Same with the beads. I also have lots and lots of beads. And look at these beads. Little hearts. Absolutely amazing. Look how much beads. Sandstone, blue and gold, orange, whatever you call it. These are, I think, the only man-made ones I sell at this point. Yeah, I mean, I have Aura. But like real crystal-wise, I absolutely adore sandstone, blue and gold. But I don't really have opalite or anything because I don't really like opalite. Look at that flash. Absolutely adorable new for sets. I'm also going to make pretty big spa sets. But yeah, like I said, I have to price everything. I was buying these because they are technically wall hangers or car hangers. And I was like, in my mind, they were like this. Maybe with the feathers. So I was like, I'm going to make these little Ibiza style necklaces. Well, these are not going to fit like a necklace. They're going to be huge. Yeah, they're really going to be huge. I can't make necklaces, so they're just going to stay like this. But these, here I also have all new types of bowls. Selenite, jade, agate, all that type of stuff. Look, little bowls, so cute. Here, clear quartz, rose quartz. I have pens with crystal chips. So these are all perfect for the witchy scoops. The mystery cauldron bubbles, like there. So if you want something like anything like here, I'm going to put them up for sale right now. But you can also check out the mystery cauldron bubbles because good chance you will get anything if it's your style. Look at these obsidian arrow necklaces. I also have these little beds. Look at the little beddies. Also necklaces. Yeah, I have to sort everything out because this is one chaotic mess. And I love it that way, but not everybody loves it that way. Look at this. This is adorable. Okay, let me fix everything.